Welcome to the Introduction to React Router section of our course. In this module, we will explore what React Router is, its purpose, and the benefit it brings to our React applications. We'll also discuss the different versions available, so let's get started. React Router is a powerful routing library specifically designed for React applications. It provides a declarative way to handle routing, allowing us to create single-page applications with multiple views or pages. With React Router, we can define different routes in our application and render appropriate components based on the current URL. The main purpose of React Router is to enable seamless navigation and provide a consistent user experience within our React applications. It allows us to create links, handle URL changes, and update the rendered components based on the routes defined in our application. Let's explore some of the key benefits of using React Router. Declarative routing. React Router offers a declarative approach to routing, meaning we can define our route using a simple and intuitive syntax. This makes it easier to understand and maintain our application's routing logic. Nested routing. React Router supports nested routing, allowing us to create complex application structures with multiple levels of nested routes. This is particularly useful when building applications with different sections or subpages. Dynamic routing. React Router enables us to handle dynamic routing by supporting parameters in our route. We can define route patterns that match specific URL patterns, extract parameters from the URL, and pass them as props to the rendered components. This flexibility is invaluable when dealing with dynamic content or user-specific data. Programmatic navigation. React Router provides an API for programmatic navigation, allowing us to navigate to different routes programmatically. We can trigger route changes based on our user actions, application logic, or even external events. This gives us full control over the navigation flow of our application. Code splitting and lazy loading. React Router integrates seamlessly with code splitting and lazy loading techniques. This means we can load components and routes on demand, optimizing the initial load time of our application. It's especially beneficial for larger applications with numerous routes and complex component hierarchies.